guys? Keith here. Got a 17 BMW 540i 3.0 twin turbo. Replacing the oil filter housing. Here's the new one. All these little O-rings right here, little gaskets, they get worn out being on there so long. Get dry and brittle. There's one right there too. Got to pull the intake. I've already got it off. It's got a hose right here, goes to the bottom of the intake. It's got these little metal clips on them that hold the line on there. Another one goes all the way under here, goes to these lines here. Where my finger's at. Sorry the picture ain't that great, but then one goes right there. There's that housing here. So it looks like I gotta move this hose out the way, radiator hose. Move this, I believe it'll be the heater control valve. Don't work on too many BMWs, but it's a learning experience. But that's where we are right now. Gonna get with it. Appreciate y'all.